Ophelia in the Yeti form. What do you think our tower should look like?
See, look at the camera. Don't forget to look at the camera. Okay. Keep going.
What do you think our tower should look like? I am made so I'm gonna make a colorful tower. And you can make a flower tower because you're a flower. So we do it like this. What we're not really clean up that.
Yeah, clean up the swamp. Say we're cleaning.
I'm cleaning up all the cars. Ow, something bit me. Ow, something bit me too.
Now start building the tower. Say we're building our tower.
We're building a tower. We're building a tower. We're building a tower.
Maybe say, I hope no monsters come.
I use my magic.
Say, I hope no monsters come.
I hope no monsters come.
Go. They froze the monster.
Make a power.
Go.
Do you want a friend? No.
Say yes. Say yes. Tell him to be his friend.
We'll be your friend. We'll be your friend. Huh? Yours says.
And hugs. 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 Yeah.